Hey everyone, Chell here with Prismatic Powders. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've heard the proverb that good things take time, or patience is a virtue. No doubt you have personal experience with the benefit of good quality over rushed results. Today we're going to talk about Superchrome Plus and how to get the best from it, and as with many things, getting the best means not rushing. As a bonus, everything we're about to cover also applies to Ultra Black Chrome. They have similar chemistry, so they share some characteristics. Now, to get the best from these two powders, you need to build your film thickness slowly and deliberately, which means turning your powder flow down. You're aiming for steady, controlled mist, not a snowstorm. Your target mil thickness is about 2.5 to 3.5 mils before you add the clear, and you don't want to get there all at once. 2 light coats, that's the move. It's going to be your first light coat, into the oven to gel, out of the oven for cool down, second light coat, back into the oven for a full cure, then you can add your clear coat. Almost every defect we see comes from the same root cause, which is too much powder. When these powders go on heavy, a couple of things happen. Of course, you'll see orange peel, but you can also get dark lines or blotchy discoloration. These lines and discoloration are the leafing metallics separating from the base pigment. These leafing metallics want to float to the surface and line up very neatly, and that's what gives you that smooth mirror-like reflection instead of a sparkling metallic finish. But when they're too thick, then the whole operation gets compromised. They separate, exposing the base pigments underneath. Now here are 2 examples. One part is sprayed with 2 light coats, the other is sprayed intentionally, a little too hot, a little too heavy in one pass to replicate an accidental overdose of chrome. Now the difference is obvious. The properly coated part is smoother and more uniform. The heavy one shows orange peel and metallic separation, exactly what we want to avoid. So once your base coat looks like this good example, the rest is easy. You can fully cure it, let it cool, then apply your clear coat. That's all there is to it. Slow down, lighten up, let the powder do what it's designed to do, and avoid hot flocking if you can. And underline and highlight that last one, because hot flocking with these coatings is the most common contributing factor to these defects, because you build mils quickly while the powder is melting on contact. Hopefully this gives you a simple, repeatable way to get the best results from these coatings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.